You have what's that band called? Bill Murray.
Bill Murray.
Yeah, the new band, or I don't know if they're new or not, but yeah, there's a band called Bill Murray that does like deathcore / country. It's
Never
not
heard of.
the name Bill Murray. It's like spelled weird, but it's spelled out Bill Murray.
The closest
I'll do that. I don't know, people get going.
Every time I hear of Bill Murray, I always think of hashtag. There was a band called hashtag and Twitter.
So if you could have your own mini concert, only local, who are you choosing?
How many bands do we have?
That's good.
No, well, normally a show's what, 5?